Good evening everyone. Today I will teach you about a new tool for bypass Google account. Their home, start, here or stop. Here Android, read information, factory rest pattern PN or face lock. Here enter recovery mode, enter fastboot mode, check Spartrom, Lenovo, Qualcomm, Asus, Acer, Micromax, EDB or HTC, Xiaomi, Moto, Euphoria. Here exit fastboot mode. Samsung, check board and select model. Here enter download mode, software fix, remove FRP or factory rest. Qualcomm, here select or check board, here select model, remove FRP format, enter EDL mode, unlock bootloader, relock bootloader, remove FRP fastboot. Others, install application, get Android package. Tool very easy and very small for smartphone. Thank you.